Do you want to create a story video for YouTube, Instagram, your blog, class project, or a digital course, but you don't know where to start? And do you want to create something simple, quick, and easy using familiar tools? If so, these three classes are for you. Hi, my name is Yukiko Sato. I would like to explain how I created my new class videos using free tools that most of you are familiar with. The free tools I used were web camera and Canva. My first goal for you is to make a story video with picture and background music. There were three easy steps to making a 1-minute story video. Step 1, craft a story for your story video. Step 2, take some photos or gather materials for the story video. Step 3, put it all together and add background music. In a few hours, I made my first story video in 2008 without any video making skills. I did it, so you can too. Because I had many requests to go over the basics of how to make a slideshow story video, the great news is that I am hosting 3 story video making using Canva course for you. 3 lessons are making a slideshow story video with background music. I will explain how to make 1-minute story video for YouTube Shorts and Instagram Reels using Canva. Making a slideshow story video with voiceover narration. I will demonstrate how to record voiceover narration, making a slideshow story video with text-to-speech. I will demonstrate how to create stock voice narration for your story video. These lessons are for super beginners who want to get started to make a first story video using the familiar tools and inspire others via sharing their story video. I am really happy to work with you to help you to create a slideshow story video and enjoy making story videos and growing your community. You will be amazed at how simple it is to make story videos, and you will enjoy sharing your story videos. Let's get started. See you inside the class.